Wow.
Eagle.
Golden eagle, maybe. Some kind of eagle. Wow.
Hello and welcome to Utah's Hogle Zoo's World of Fly Show. Have you enjoyed the show so far?
Yeah.
That big eagle we just saw was a stellar eagle. It's one of the world's
Stellar.
largest eagles, in fact, the heaviest eagle in the world, and one of the 3 largest eagles come from Russia along the northeast coast. Right now, again, turn your attention to our box way up there on the top of the hill. From way up high, here comes a Harrison hawk.
Harrison. Indiana and Audrey music. That's so cool. Look at that. Here he comes.
You know, you won't see Harris's hawks in Utah. Too cold for them during the winter months. You will see them in states like New Mexico, Arizona, and southern Texas, the Harris's hawk. Our next bird, it's one of the best talking parrots I've ever met. I always
Gray, African gray.
Poco, and Sam's going to be bringing out Poco. We're going to have Poco do a little mimicking for us.
Oh no, I don't know what that is. Amazon.
Thanks, Sammy. Now, Poco can mimic a variety of sounds. Not only human sounds, but he does some animals as well. Let's start off with a big hello, Poco.
Hello, Poco.
Again.
Hello, Poco.
Well, hello, Poco. Let's see if he can do some animal sounds. How about a dog? Okay. How about an animal you might see on a farm, like a rooster? I bet a lot of these people have a cat.
That's a rooster.
He's too smart. Let's give him something tough that he won't know. What won't he know? Let's see. Bugs Bunny. Well, take a look at all these people. Take a good look. See everybody out there? What do you think? Yeah, nice. And I don't say this to all my birds, Poco, but I love you.
I don't blame you.
What?
I don't blame you.
I don't blame you.
I don't blame you. How rude. How about whistling us a tune? How about I Left My Heart in San Francisco? Can you do that one for us? That would be the condensed version. You've all heard. This old man, he played knick-knack on my thumb. With it. How about how much is that doggy in the window? You do that one for us. That's a tough one. How much is that doggy?
Huh? Pretty good.
Okay, let's make it even tougher. I left my heart in San Francisco. Can you do that one? Oh, that's a tough one. Oh, you got it. The Poco you rushed through, he said, I left my heart in Francisco. It's San Francisco with an S. If you sing with a little more heart. You try it? A little more heart? A little more heart. Here we go. I left. San Francisco. We got it. Okay. Poco, I want to know, are you a pretty bird? Are you a pretty bird? Louder. You certainly are. And I always get a kick out of the way that he responds to this. Poco, are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. Poco. What you doing? What you doing? Now, Poco has a favorite color. What do you think it would be? It was unanimous. Everyone thinks your favorite color must be green. Let's find out. Poco, is it green?
My favorite color.
That's his favorite color. And I think we should all make green our favorite color because we're being green. That means we're taking care of our world. I think that's important. But let's see if green's really his favorite. Let's see what he thinks of the color orange. You like orange? I like orange. How about yellow? Red? Blue? Purple? White? Yellow? Black? Purple? Green.
My favorite color.
Definitely green. So let's all make green our favorite color and take care of our world. And Poco, I want you to look out there now and just say goodbye to all these good folks out there. Can you do that for us? Say goodbye.
Bye.
That is our yellow-naped Amazon parrot, Poco, from the range.
Yellow-naped Amazon.
Thank you, Sammy. Our next bird is really a cool bird. It's a barn owl. You know, barn owls have the best hearing of any bird on the planet. They can zero in on a mouse by sound alone. To demonstrate how they hunt, we've hidden some sound devices out in the theater. Listen carefully. Can you hear it? It sounds like a clock. Watch behind me. Let's see if the owl can find that. Look at that. He went right to it. And that's just how they hunt. They use their hearing. Let's shut that clicker off. We have another clicker, not as loud. Can you hear the next one? Oh, the owl hears it. You notice how quiet they fly? You see, owls' feathers are designed for silent flight, which allows them to use their hearing while they're flying to listen for rodents. We'll bring them down to the front. We'll shut all the clickers off. They're found all over the world, and they are beautiful birds, aren't they? You know, they only hunt at night. They call that nocturnal. They're nocturnal animals, only out at night. So you don't get a chance to see the beautiful colors on a barn owl very often, unless you're here at the zoo. My daughter once said, "Daddy looks like a perfectly toasted marshmallow." Now, they say a barn owl, by the time it's 11 years old, by the time it's 10 years old, will have eaten 11,000 rodents, and they can live to be 20. Beneficial. Right now we've got another clicker, but we've designed this one so it can't be detected by the human ear. But look at that, the owl heard it immediately. If that were a mouse chewing on a piece of grass behind the barn, he wouldn't have to see it. He'd go right to it, just by the sound. Amazing hearing. And they do us a service keeping those rodent populations down. We used to have a rodent problem here. I used to see a mouse once in a while nibbling on stuff in the theater, but not anymore.
Yeah.
Since we brought in the owl, we haven't seen a mouse or a rat. Not a one.
Uh-oh.
What?
Yep,
Yes,
big
indeed. They
rat.
do eat rats. The kids are not only having a good time, they're learning about owls, and that makes me feel real good. Yes, indeed. That rodent problem behind us now. Right now, we're looking for a volunteer to help out with the next part of the show. We need an adult volunteer with a $5 bill. An adult with $5. I don't see a single hand. Okay, I think this gentleman had his hand up first, right there. Stand up, hold it straight out in your right hand. Can you pinch it between your thumb and your index finger? Hold it up. There we go. We're bringing out our African collared raven. His name is Gerald. Gerald, can you make it on out here? Gerald.
Gerald.
There you go.
Gerald.
You know, recent research has shown the raven to be our
Raven.
planet's most intelligent mating
I
species.
told you
Gerald,
so.
$5 up there.
He's way smarter.
Wasn't that fun? Now a seat. Okay. How about a volunteer with a $20 bill? Would you like that $5 back? Come on back. You know, well, I'll tell you what, I got something for you then. Special. You want to make that a donation to the zoo? That $5? Okay. Well, how many you got with you today?
40.
4 of you? Well,
A theater full.
you can handle that. This is
Everybody's
you do this. But hold out your hand, Tom. Hope you like to travel because you just got 4 round trip tickets. Do a ride on the train here at the zoo. That's a lot of fun. We're going to make that $5 a donation. And what do we do with all those kind donations, Jared? We put that right
Oh,
in
nice.
the
Okay, let's put right in there.
box. We want to thank you so much for your kind donation to support the zoo.
Aw.
Send Gerald back inside. We hope you enjoy your ride on the Safari Express. Send Gerald back, off he goes. And our next bird is the most common large hawk found in North America. From the back of the theater, we're going to be seeing a red-tailed hawk. You get a good look at our red-tailed hawk because he comes swooping in right over your head.
Boom.
I had one of those in the backyard when I was
It used to be
Oh,
when people
there's a
saw
red tail like
red-tailed
that.
hawk,
the one I knocked
they called
out.
them
Oh,
chicken
yeah.
hawks.
kept
We
them
know
for a
these
few
birds don't
weeks.
eat chickens. We know their diet consists of things like dogs, cats, and small children. I'm only joking. They don't eat children. They don't eat dogs or cats. They eat rats and mice and snakes, things like that. Beneficial birds found all across North America. Keep an eye out for red-tailed hawks wherever you travel. Right now, we're going to let you know what it's like to have a large bear living with you in your home. Here's Chrissy.
You know what that's like.
Thanks, Steve. This is Bo. He is our
Blue
blue
and
and gold
gold.
hawk. And parents like Bo are beautiful birds, but they do make extremely challenging pets. They bite hard, they scream loud, and they can live for a long, long time. Now, it might be hard to imagine what it would be like to have one of these birds in your home. That's why we have Bo here to demonstrate for you the noise he likes to make at 5 a.m. in the morning. You might want to cover your ears. Bo, can you scream? How'd you like that as a wake-up call every morning? Actually, that loud scream, it does come in handy in the wild. It alerts the rest of the flock to the presence of a predator. Okay, one more time. We're going to have Bo remind us why it's important to choose our pets wisely. Cover your ears. Bo, can you see? And one, do you get the point? And one last thing, Bo, can you tell everybody goodbye? Say goodbye. Bye. And that is Bo, our blue and gold macaw. We're going to send him back inside, and for our next bird, we're going to have you turn your attention to your left. Up on that post, it is a vulture, so everybody look alive.
Look alive, literally.
This is our yellow-headed vulture from South America. Similar to our turkey vulture found right here in Utah. We're going to send them back across the theater. Now, the vulture family is unique because they are the only birds that have a sense of smell. All other birds have no sense of smell. By having a strong sense of smell, they can locate their next meal, which is a rotting carcass. Now, another interesting adaptation is that vultures have no feathers on their head. This is helpful because when you're trying to eat a rotting carcass, it can tend to get messy. But by having no feathers on their head, they can simply wipe that bare skin against the ground, then the sun will disinfect their head, keeping it free from bacteria. Truly nature's recyclers. We're going to send them back inside, and that's our yellow-headed vulture from South America.
Really cool. I'll see this
So
direction.
right now, we're going to show you the largest species of owl in the world. You turn your attention to the back of the theater. Nick is up there, and he is releasing our Eurasian eagle owl.
Wow.
Now I'm going to get him to follow me all the way up this hill. Now get your camera ready for an amazing photo opportunity as he sweeps right over your heads for an up-close encounter.
He's looking over this way, it looks like.
And that's our Eurasian eagle owl
Oh.
from Europe and Asia. Where do you think you might be going? Do you think you might be taking a message to Harry Potter? Well, right now we're going to have some fun. This is where we're going to choose some lucky individual to come downstage and help me train a bird. Now you have to be very brave. Let's see. It's always so hard to pick the perfect bird trainer. This little boy right here in the green, you want to help me? Oh, come down here.
Roosters running loose around here.
Come stand right here for me. He looks like the perfect bird trainer. Right here. Okay, turn and look at the audience and give them your biggest smile. Are you having fun at the zoo? What's your name? Brandon, what's your favorite animal so far? Yeah? Okay, are you afraid of birds? Train was his favorite animal. Okay, Brandon, put your arms straight out. And I'm going to give you some special food, okay? Now, Brandon, have you ever heard of a California condor? Yeah, okay.
Oh, yeah.
For the back
He's
of
like-
it. No, just kidding, Mom. Here comes Buttercup, our rock
Condor, it's like the big
She's going to make her
giant
way in for a perfect landing. Brandon, how does that feel? Good? Well, you might have noticed people like to have white doves at their wedding. It's been said that if you see a white dove on your wedding day, that you're assured a lifetime of happiness. We're going to send that bird backstage. Now, Brandon, are you planning to get married anytime soon? Yeah, congratulations. Now, since you were such a good bird trainer, I have some tickets for you to ride the train, since that was your very favorite. You were such a good bird trainer, we'll send you back.
Go, kid.
Wow, Christy, how do you find guys like that? He is so talented. You did good, yes. You did. So right now, we're going to show you a bird from the land down under from Australia. It is a sulfur-crested cockatoo. Our cockatoo's name, Sydney. We're going to ask Sydney a few questions. Sydney, I've heard many species of birds and animals are disappearing. Is that true? Well, that's sad news. That must be because of the predators they're eating. Not the predators. Who's causing it? Are you looking at me? Well, I guess I could be partly to blame. Sydney, what can we all do to take better care of our world? How about if we all practice the 3 R's? Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Good advice, Miss Sydney. We've got some exciting birds still to come. I'm going to ask you to go back inside now. Nope, you won't. Well, you think you're the only exciting bird in the whole show? Sydney, will you look? Sydney, our next bird is a golden eagle.
Ooh.
Sydney, our sulfur-crested cockatoo from Australia. We'll let Cindy get safely inside of that hollow log.
I'm up at the zoo. Where are you?
And then we're going to have you turn your attention right up here to the rock wall. Get ready. Here comes the golden eagle.
Oh, up there. That's awesome.
Okay.
Now the golden eagle
All
is
right.
found on several continents, including North America.
Just one car, but we're up here for a little bit
Means you
longer.
can see
You
them
don't
right
need
here.
them right now, do you?
They're amazing predators. We'll send them across the theater. They can have up to a 6-foot wingspan.
All right.
They can dive out of the sky at speeds of 120 miles an hour.
Wow.
Whoa!
Oh, oops. I don't think you're supposed to go up there.
Eagle has missed his perch. He's going to get him out of the tree. Bring up the guy. Now, golden eagles can live to be 50 years old and they mate for life. He's kind of got his, doesn't have a very good perch there.
Jeez, what's he doing?
He's hanging out with his perched up in the tree.
So we'll look at him.
Looks like
They
he's,
mate for life. What a great life would be to be a golden eagle.
He's just still in time now. There we go.
One more time, we'll send that eagle across the theater. Get ready.
Yeah. Guard your branches. The eagle doesn't see her, I don't think. Oh, there it goes.
The golden eagle. Truly one of the world's most awesome aerial predators, the golden eagle. Amazing. I was thinking about it the other day. We've been presenting the show here 18 seasons. And I can't believe the changes that have taken place at the zoo in those 18 years. How do you like the new Rocky Shore Zoo? Isn't that great?
Can't be here, then.
The zoo just keeps getting better and better all the time. And I've noticed something about all of our visitors. It seems that today everyone's more concerned about our natural world. And I think that's great. Because think about it. We're the only ones that have the ability to repair damage, fix problems, and to be able to actually help our environment. We hope your visit to the zoo will inspire us all to do just that. Right now, we have a few more beautiful birds to show you.
What up this way?
Like a sparrow on a wire, singing the same song every day.
Oh, here comes a green wing. Blue and gold, another green wing. Whoa, here comes those. That one's ready to go in. It went straight to that.
Our next bird is one of North America's greatest wildlife success stories, the bald eagle. You know, it was once an endangered species on the brink of extinction, but Americans who were concerned about future generations being able to view the bald eagle, they pulled together. They cleaned up our rivers and lakes and banned harmful pesticides. Today, the bald eagle has been officially removed from the endangered species list and is doing really well. With our bald eagle liberty, here's Nick.
That's cool. Ah, nice.
And how many of you noticed the little black and white birds that little black and white birds that ran behind us during the show. They're a special breed of pigeons. They're called German Modinas. But we just affectionately call them our penguin pigeons. Here they are one last time. Take a bow, guys. That's all they do. Wow, it took us almost a month to teach them. How about that big rooster? Did you see him?
Yeah.
His name is Walnut.
Oh, look at the macaw on the roof up there.
Always a popular bird because he is one of America's only dancing roosters, and he has the moves. Really boogie.
Chicken boogie. Oh,
All right,
he's checking out the flag.
And Walnut, if we could have you exit stage for us, that would be just great. I'd like to introduce you to people that made our
Hey, look at the eagle.
Walnut,
That's cool.
it is Nick. With our beautiful golden eagle here is Debbie. How about a hand for Chrissy?
Has the head thing on it. Over there. Check it out.
Now, Chrissy and Sammy's back there. Sammy's part of our volunteer program, doing a great job for us here this summer. Sammy and Chrissy will be at the donation boxes with our cockatoos. Those cockatoos are clever. Hand them $1, they'll put it in the box. All goes to help support Utah Hogle. So if you donate a $5, you get a string to the show for us. We'll pose with the birds with photographs. We want to thank all of you for sharing your day with us here at Utah Hogle. Bye-bye, everyone.
Good job.
Okay.